How to check and use credit balance on Temu. What's up everyone, welcome back to the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily check your credit balance and use them on the Temu app. First thing first, you will have to download the app from Google Play Store or App Store. And once you have downloaded the app, just open it. Make sure to sign into your account. So after you've signed in, this should be your home page where you see all of these different stuff. And on the bottom of your screen, you will see different tabs like Home, Categories, You, and then Cart. So you just want to tap on the You section, and your account will be shown right here. And on your account, you will see something like this that says Credit Balance. You just want to tap on it to check your balance. So if there are any available balance on your device, it will be shown right here, depending on the currency that you've selected. So it will show right here, and you can apply these credits on these stuffs right here. So how can you use them is your credits will be automatically applied to the eligible orders at checkout, and on your next purchase you will simply be deducted from the positive balance until your balance drops to zero. So if you want to buy something, these credit balance will automatically be applied and it will be deducted from your original price. And from like that, you can get discounts, and that's how you basically use credit balance on Temu.